AliExpress is a gamble. You can save a lot of money, but is it actually worth it? I bought upgrades and tools for my 3D printer, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, from AliExpress from day one. Some are amazing, but others are a waste of money. Let's find out together. Some of the first things I bought is these basic tools, a pair of side cutters and deburring tool. You need these when 3D printing to clean edges and remove supports. On AliExpress, they cost almost nothing. The quality is okay, and they make cleaning up your prints so much easier. These are a thumb up. Next up, PEI Build Plates. These are my favorite find. I paid a fraction of the official price and the quality is real good. The prints stick perfectly and pop right off when cool. If you only buy one thing, make it these plates. A true hidden gem. I also got these different nozzles. I bought a hardened steel to use for the glow-in-the-dark filament, which ruins normal nozzles very fast. These are so cheap that I don't mind if they wear out a bit quicker than the original ones. They work great and save my expensive parts, so I think this is a smart buy. Now for the bad news. This LED strip was a disappointment. It was way shorter than I expected. Also, when printing low objects, the tool head blocks the light and creates a big shadow. I guess it's better than nothing, but I would probably skip this one. Next is something to try and lower the vibration. My A1 Mini is fast, but also makes a lot of vibrations. I've done a test where I compared the different speeds, so I'll put the link up in a corner or something. Well, I bought these rubber feet to help a bit with the shaking and vibrations. The result? They aren't a miracle, but they do make the print a bit quieter. It didn't stop all the vibration, but for this low price, they are okay. Finally, I stocked up on M2 and M3 screws, magnets, and keyring hangers. This is where you save the most money. The quality is good for 3D printed projects, and I use this for a lot of different prints. Buying this in bulk on AliExpress is a must for any maker. You save a lot of money this way. So, is it worth the gamble? For the plates, tools, and hardware, 100% yes. For the nozzles and feet, well, I guess they're good for the price, but stay away from the LED strip. Thanks for watching Filament and Layers. Let me know your best AliExpress find related to 3D prints in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!